Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Back in the 1920s, Jell-O was termed America's most favourite dessert. So today, we share with you a super quick craft to make your dolls fun, colourful Jell-O dishes. We also made an adorable vintage-style Jello box. You can find the printable link in our description below. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. Get creative with us, making this fun, fast treat for your dolls today. So, let's get making! We are using the cap from a whipped cream spray can. The moulded swirls look perfect for a family-sized Jell-O dish. Cut the lid down to around 3 centimeters tall with a diameter of 5 centimeters. Now paint your cap with a glossy spray paint. We chose a bright fire truck red colour for our strawberry flavour and painted another cap with green for our lime-flavoured Jell-O. To better match the vintage theme of these desserts, we spray painted an Our Generation plate gold. Next, draw a thin line of hot glue around the bottom of the Jell-O mould and affix it directly to the centre of the plate. Repeat this step for the red Jell-O. Now it's time to decorate. Referencing images of vintage Jell-O, we leaned into the better-known fruit with whipped cream for our toppings. But you could opt to make an authentic 1920s Jell-O salad featuring vegetables or even tuna. Here, we took the sprigs off a fake houseplant and cut away the stalk to get little pairs of leaves. Using a small drop of hot glue, adhere the leaves, evenly spaced, around the base of the Jell-O. Fill the gaps between the leaves with little drops of deco cream. For crafts like this, we use an inexpensive brand bought off eBay. On top of the Jell-O, pipe a small circle of bigger cream drops, then set aside to dry. For our lime version, we again piped a ring of deco cream on top, then placed a trio of raspberries into the cream. You can see how we made these in our DIY Joss accessories video. While the cream is wet, add in more fake leaves. For colour contrast, we cut slices from this orange fruit eraser and slid them into the wet deco cream. Now we have these delicious Jell-O dishes, let's go a step further and make cute Jello boxes for the dollhouse kitchen. Simply click the link in the description to print out the Jello box image onto computer paper or cardstock. Cut out the rectangle with the image, we offered 3 strawberry flavours, and pre-crease all the horizontal and vertical sides of the box. Next, cut into the long edge to make the tabs on each side. Using double-sided tape, place your adhesive on the grey tabs. Then assemble your box. It's super cute as is, but if you'd like to fill your box with jelly crystals, we found coloured sand looks very effective. Here, we bought a variety pack from the dollar store many years ago. Just fold the packet in half, then slip it inside your box. Enjoy serving your dolls this fun, fast treat today. Thanks again for visiting our channel, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.